When you're creating a new performance benchmark, you need to defy a few conventions, starting with the first ever inline 3-cylinder engine in a sport side-by-side. 998 cc's, 12 valves, dual overhead cams, ultra-lightweight forged pistons and connecting rods, and high-tech dry sump lubrication for a more compact and lower engine mounting, with a high-volume dual-stage intake up top, and foam primary and viscous paper secondary filters, feeding 3 big 41mm throttle bodies for ultra-quick throttle response into an aggressive 11.3:1 compression ratio, and out through a performance-tuned 3-in-1 exhaust, including equal-length head pipes to equalize cylinder efficiency, for jaw-dropping power and fantastic mid-range torque, all the way to a thrilling 10,500 RPM redline.